Hello there. I was working collecting stone and I burst a hose on the backhoe. So I hightailed it back to the barn to see if I could figure out where the issue was. With the engine running, I started moving the backhoe controls, and it was easy to tell that a hydraulic hose that controls the curl function on the bucket had ruptured. I don't know if you can see that. Right there. It burst. So I'll head into darkness tomorrow and see if I can pick up a new hose. Not the end of the world, but it's just inconvenient. Okay, I'm back. I went into the city this morning and I had a new hose made up. I could have gone to the parts department at Kubota, but I didn't, and I'm going to show you why. This is the original hose, and it's rated for 3250 psi. The issue was that the hose burst. Right there by my thumb. Now we run the engine at 1950 to 2000 psi, so well below the rated psi. There's no chafe on the hose. Other than the burst, it's in great shape. Even the protective cover is in great shape, a little greasy, but no chafe. And I add in, for extra precaution, a little piece of split loom, and it's not damaged either. So the shop that I go to, they make up the replacements, and they are rated for 5800 psi. So I think this will serve me much better, and we'll install it. Okay, I can't get the wrench in there. So I think what I'm going to have to do, I'll start the engine. If I move this back, The boom should lift up some. I think we'll do that. Oh yeah, that's a lot easier. Okay, that's our business. Homer truth. So there doesn't seem to be any leaks here or here at my joints. So I'll top up the fluid, and I think we're back in business. Thanks for watching, and take care.